to everyone. Today we will discuss identification tests for carbonyl compounds. And different identification tests are there. In first, preliminary or primary identification tests from carbonyl compounds from 2,4-DNPH. 2,4-DNPH full name is 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine. This 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine is given by all carbonyl groups. Now, you take test tube having unknown solution. This unknown solution is treated with, that means adding 2,4-DNPH, we observe orange or yellow precipitate. That orange or yellow precipitate, is indicating the presence of carbonyl functional group. Now listen, this carbonyl functional group is treated with 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. We observe orange or yellow precipitate. That orange or yellow precipitate is indicating the presence of carbonyl compound. In reaction ways, you take any carbonyl group like acetaldehyde. Now acetaldehyde is treated with 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. The formula of 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine is that one. Now what is this? 2,4-DNPH. Now what is this? Acetaldehyde. By the loss of water molecule, we observe 2,4-acetaldehyde 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone. CH3C double bond N NH NO2 and NO2. We observe hydrazine is converted to hydrazone. Acetaldehyde 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone. Now this compound color is either yellow or orange color. Another identification test of carbonyl compound is reaction with sodium bisulfite. What is this name? Sodium bisulfite. Now, you take one test tube. Now the test tube having unknown solution. Now unknown solution is treated with sodium bisulfite. Now the sodium bisulfite is reacted with this unknown solution to source white precipitate. That white precipitate is indicating aldehydes are lower ketones. That means sodium bisulfite is given by aldehydes or lower ketones. The precipitate color is white precipitate. In reaction ways, like you take again acetaldehyde. Now acetaldehyde is treated with sodium bisulfite. Now this reaction is involving reversible. The product name is acetaldehyde bisulfate. What is this name? Acetaldehyde bisulfite. Now this color is white precipitate. Another identification test for carbonyl compound is Ship's test. Another identification test for carbonyl compounds is reaction with Ship's solution. In Ship's solution is nothing but the diluted solution of rosa-aniline hydrochloride. Rosa-aniline hydrochloride. SO2 is passing with rosa-aniline hydrochloride. In general, this rosa-aniline hydrochloride having pink color. When SO2 is passing with rosa-aniline hydrochloride, the pink color is disappear. Pink color is disappear. Now the solution is nothing but Ship's solution. When this solution is treated with this Ship's solution is treated with aldehyde. The pink color is reappeared. That means that solution having aldehyde functional group, and Ship's solution is given by only aldehydes. Another identification test of carbonyl compounds is Silver-Miller test. The Silver-Miller test. The Silver-Miller test is nothing but Tollens reagent test. It is given by only aldehydes. That unknown solution, like the test tube having unknown solution, by adding 1 or 2 drops of Tollens reagent. The Tollens reagent is nothing but ammonical silver nitrate. That solution is on boiling by using water bath for few minutes. We observe silver mirror in inner walls of the test tube. In reaction, that means we observe silver mirror. That silver mirror is indicating presence of aldehydes. In reaction method, silver nitrate is treated with ammonium hydroxide to form 3 moles of ammonium hydroxide to form ammonical silver nitrate complex. And silver having positive charge and hydroxy group is having negative charge. The byproduct is ammonium nitrate and also 3 moles of water molecule. Now this ammonical silver nitrate is treated with aldehydes like acetaldehyde, boiling with water bath for few minutes. We observe silver mirror. Now what is this? Silver mirror. The silver mirror is forms in inner walls of the test tube, and the byproduct is ammonium salt of acetic acid and 3 moles of water. In another identification tests of carbonyl compounds is Fehling test. In another identification test of carbonyl compound is Fehling solution test. Now this Fehling solution having cupric tartrate complex. Now unknown solution is taken at test tube by adding Fehling solution A and B. Now this solution on strong heat on flame, the red color precipitate is observed. That red color precipitate is indicating the presence of aliphatic aldehydes. That means this Fehling solution test given only aliphatic aldehydes. In reaction base, you take acetaldehyde. Now acetaldehyde is treated with copper hydroxide in the presence of basic medium like sodium hydroxide. Now you observe cupric oxide. Now cupric oxide is in precipitate formation. The color of cupric oxide is red color. Red color precipitate is observed. The byproduct is sodium salt of acetic acid and also 3 moles of water molecule is observed. In Fehling solution test gives only aliphatic aldehydes. The product color is red color precipitate is observed and the red color is indicating cupric oxide. 2, 3, 4, 5. Unknown solution is taken in 5 beakers. In first beaker test is 2,4 DNPH test and second beaker is sodium bisulfate test and third beaker test is Ship's test and fourth beaker having Tollens reagent test and also fifth beaker Fehling solution test. In 2,4 DNPH test, all beakers having unknown solution. Now, in unknown solution, 2,4 DNPH is adding it unknown solution. We observe orange or yellow precipitate. That orange or yellow precipitate is indicating carbonyl functional group. That means that solution is having either aldehyde group or ketone group. And another identification test, sodium bisulfate test. And sodium bisulfate is adding it unknown solution. We observe white precipitate. That white precipitate is indicating only aldehydes. That means sodium bisulfate is given by only aldehydes and also lower ketones. That means higher ketone does not give sodium bisulfate test. In Ship's test, in Ship's solution having colorless, that Ship's solution is adding unknown solution. We observe pink color. That means pink color of Ship's reagent is reappear. That indicates the pink color is indicating that unknown solution having aldehyde functional group. And Ship's reagent is given by only aldehyde functional groups. And another identification test is Tollens reagent test. And Tollens reagent is nothing but ammonical silver nitrate. And listen, Ship's reagent. Ship's reagent is nothing but the diluted solution of rosa aniline hydrochloride. And it gives pink color is reappeared, it given by only aldehydes. And Tollens reagent is nothing but ammonical silver nitrate. an unknown solution is taken on adding of Tollens reagent on this total solution and boiling by using water bath. For few minutes. After few minutes we observe silver mirror. This silver mirror in inner walls of the test tube. That means inner walls of the test tube we observe silver mirror. That silver mirror is indicating that unknown solution having the presence of aldehydes. The presence of aldehyde functional group. And Fehling solution having two solutions combination, and Fehling A and Fehling B. And that means copper oxide in presence of basic medium. The Fehling solution is adding an unknown solution. The solution on heating, direct heating by using flame, we observe brick red color or reddish color. That reddish color is indicating the presence of aldehydes. Totally 5 tests are observed in identification test for carbonyl functional groups. Thank you.